Describe a significant event in your life that has influenced your decision to pursue a career in engineering.
In the summer of 2017, my family took a trip to Discovery Park in Union City, Tennessee. In one of the temporary displays was a Leonardo da Vinci Works exhibit. I went into the room and was immediately awestruck. I was expecting mainly art because that's what I was exposed to. I saw a copy of the Mona Lisa and several other replica art pieces. Then I turned a corner and saw a plane-like object hanging from the ceiling. I was amazed. So I went up to the contraption and read that Da Vinci was more than an artist. He was an engineer. I started speed walking because you aren't allowed to run from exhibit to exhibit and learned that many modern engineers are influenced by his works. I decided that since other people were motivated by him, I could be too. Several of the inventions you could touch and turn. The invention that stood out to me the most was the self-supporting bridge. There was a large model and then there was a small buildable model. Without instructions, you had to build the smaller model where it could hold a certain amount of weight. Neither of my siblings could figure out, and my parents didn't even try. In about 10 minutes, I had successfully created a miniature version of Leonardo da Vinci's self-supporting bridge. As soon as I finished, I knew that whether or not I could create innovative developments to society like Da Vinci, I will use my creativity, problem solving, and intuition to contribute to engineering to the best of my ability.
What are you looking to gain by participating in the High School Introduction to Engineering Systems for 12th Graders program?
My high school is not particularly diverse in its class options. I am having to take the minimum classes in preparation to becoming an engineer. When I have been to engineering camps in the past, I have felt behind my peers on account of them being able to take more advanced engineering-based classes. By being in this program, I hope to gain a more comprehensive and thorough understanding of engineering and not fall behind classmates during college.
How do you plan to use your engineering career?
When I graduate high school, I hope to go into college and major in aerospace engineering. I will enter Air Force ROTC. I hope to graduate college in 4 years, enter the Air Force as an officer, and use my degree to fix planes, make them faster, stealthier, really anything else they need me to do. I like problem solving, so I hope I will get to use this skill to the best and most helpful way possible. I want to make an impact as a female engineer and hopefully inspire younger girls like me that love building to think about exploring careers in the STEM field.
Please list your top 3 choices of engineering colleges that you are applying to and why.
My top 3 engineering schools I am applying to are Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach, United States Air Force Academy, and University of Florida. Embry-Riddle is first because I would prefer a small college in a larger town. I have grown up in a college town my entire life, first Auburn University, then Murray State University, then the University of Tennessee at Martin. Both my parents worked on all 3 campuses. I know the perks to a small and a large college. I've heard my dad give speeches to high school seniors and college freshmen, so I understand how to pick a good college based on major, student-to-faculty ratio, and overall college experience. I also need to take into account that I want to join our Air Force ROTC. 13% of Embry-Riddle students are enrolled in the branch of ROTC. The university offers a great engineering program, and it's on the beach, so what could be better? The United States Air Force Academy is my second pick as of right now. My brain works best when my day is scheduled out because I get distracted with too much free time. At a service academy, my whole life would be scheduled out. According to the Air Force recruiter for West Tennessee, Sergeant Ezernak, to have an engineering job in the Air Force, you have to have a college degree. At the academy, I would complete basic training and my degree simultaneously. I'm currently on my high school soccer team. I plan, if it's the best option scheduling and financial-wise, to continue playing in college. The University of Florida has an excellent aeronautical engineering program and a very successful women's soccer team. Something I've learned from my parents is that college visits are important because you don't want to spend 4 years at a school you don't like. I plan to take tours of both of those Florida schools, as well as Auburn University and Clemson during my school spring break. Because of this coronavirus, I don't know when I will get to, but I do plan to get around to that eventually.